please come to Hamamatsu and eat them. Thank you.
And leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the.
ホタテ版に種がこう最初ついてるんですね、ちっちゃい種が、はい、でそれがだんだん大きくなってこうやって花咲くような感じに成長してってっていう感じです。どうかな。
ああ、素晴らしい。
まあまあ。
There's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. Always be the. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. Yeah, I know, you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the.
Hey everybody, are you interested in oysters? They're delicious, aren't they? It's back-breaking work, but it's well worth it. I hope you enjoy the Hamanako Oysters.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that.
This is the Hamanako menu. So they have, they're well known for their seafood. their raw fish. And during the winter they have their kaki, their kaki oyster fries. This is their winter menu. They have tempura, an assortment of dishes. Everything is brought in from the Hamanako area. I highly recommend it. So this is the Hamanako oyster fry. The Hamanako oysters are well known for being very full and juicy. Taste. Very tasty. It's great. So this is their assortment plate. From the Hamanako area, they have a lot of seafood, huge assortment, fresh vegetables, sashimi. Very fresh, very tasty. Shelled oysters from one of the local oyster farmers. They've been steamed. Try and open one up. Wow, look at the size of that meat. Lemon sauce. This is their Western grilled oysters. It has tomato sauce and cheese. Give it a try. Tastes great.